Running parameters of 17.1 volts and 109 for wire feed speed. In this Flux-Core demonstration, we're timing the rate of travel to 60 seconds, which equals to 1 minute. In this segment, we're running a stringer bead and dragging it with no oscillation or weave. The parameters were set to cover the 8-inch plate in 60 seconds, which equals to 8 inches per minute in this segment, as demonstrated. As we approach the 1 minute mark on both of our stopwatches, I will display a screenshot of the start and both the second before